We might still be limited to the four walls of our home, but it doesn't mean you can't discover the new. This May, join us online for CPhI Discover. 3 days of industry-leading content, followed by 1 week of networking for the global pharma community. On Tuesday, 18 May, we are diving into the pharma manufacturing and outsourcing sector. More than ever before, the spotlight is on how to manufacture at scale and bring quality products to market faster. This track boasts big names manufacturers and CDMOs. Pfizer Center One, Thermo Fisher Scientific, Samsung Biologic, Aptar Pharma, and more. These market leaders will be tackling the sector trends: continuous manufacturing, onshoring versus offshoring, drug repurposing, and sustainable approaches to manufacture. All content is free to access. Update your knowledge, hear from industry speakers, and discover what's new in pharma manufacturing. Register now for CPhI Discover.